Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639. Welcome to my channel Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. In today's video, I like to talk about what are the top 5 questions you need to ask before you buy a recently renovated house. Friends, before you go ahead and put a rush or quick offer on a house just because it has been recently renovated, it is always a smart idea to ask few questions. Why? As they say, beauty is only skin deep, meaning someone may be beautiful on outside but inside is more meaningful, and at the end of the day they can put a lipstick on the pig to make it look nice and beautiful. So first thing you want to do is you have to ask who did all these renovations. Find out about the renovation company who is responsible for all these new cosmetic or major changes. Check out their credentials. How long have they been in business? Are they member of Better Bureau of Businesses, or whether they are accredited by local bodies? Look through their portfolio and online reviews of the company. Renovation companies must also be licensed by the municipality. Do they carry insurance also? Contact your local city or municipality to confirm their license and see whether they have any complaints that has been filed against them. I have seen sometimes people, even if in most expensive of the house, they don't hire quality company because they know after renovation they just want to sell for the top dollar. So sometimes what happen is they do complete renovation aesthetically for certain portion of the house, but they fail to update the old heating system, ventilation system, air conditioning. That could be potentially a sign that they just bought this out for a quick flip and they did cut the corners. So ask your professional, knowledgeable, experienced realtor or real estate agent to verify what system were placed in the house and at what time. Second question you want to ask is, did they get proper permits? This is very, very critical. Typically, in pandemic COVID, it might take you 4 to 6 months depending on extension of your work to get the permits from the city. And then they have to have proper inspections and doing everything to the regulations, following all the building codes. So if it's done within, all the renovation is done within 3 to 4 weeks, something probably is not right. Nothing is worse than finding out you actually don't have the permit for your recently finished nice looking basement apartment or your extra extension of the sunroom. Basic things like upgrading countertop, changing faucets, toilets likely don't require permits, but anything structural, electrical, plumbing related or insulation will probably require some sort of approval from the city. So make sure you have the proof of the permits for any recent renovations to avoid any nasty surprise down the line which can cost you thousands of dollars. This will also ensure that everything was done according to the building code and keep your family safe. Fourth question you want to ask is, are there any warranties? Depending on the nature of the renovation, certain items should come with the warranties if they have been replaced and should be transferred to the buyer in case there's any breakage or there's malfunction of appliances or certain component in the house. Especially if a lot of work has been done on the home, there should be warranties on pretty much everything from appliances to roof. and it has to be passed on to the buyers in case something goes wrong after the sale. And if they're fixing the foundation, certain companies give you 25-year warranty if there's epoxy injection or they do some kind of weeping tiles in your basement. Should the seller or the person who's flipping the house for a quick profit hesitate to provide you any of these warranties, friends, this is certainly a red flag for the buyers. Lastly, do the renovations seem like they are hiding anything? Unfortunately, some sellers might be tempted to renovate to hide a damage to the property. Take a closer look at the newer renovated property with your agent or experienced home inspector to investigate further. Could there be new basement apartment be hiding previous water damage? Or if they move a wall which is load bearing to make it more open concept, those structure changes have to have paperwork for all those renovations. And it is not just recent fix up homes, friends. I have also noticed even newly built homes sometime often try to hide shoddy workmanship. And other thing you want to look out, always we recommend our clients get a certified experienced home inspector and who is registered with the local municipal province, and get an unbiased professional opinion on the work that has been done in your renovated house, the house you're looking to buy, or even when you're buying brand new property. At the end, friends, I hope you like the video. If you have any further question, remember, always work with the experienced local knowledgeable real estate agent, and they will bring all these flaws, challenges to your attention, saving you time and money. So if you're looking to buy any property in Golden Horseshoe, Greater Toronto area, London, Kitchener-Waterloo, Sarnia, Windsor, give our team Supermax a call. You can reach me personally at 647-961-2639, or you can visit my website www.supermaxrealty.ca. Till next time, this is your friend Jimmy Singh. Talk to you soon. God bless.